The world is changing rapidly. Blockchain technologies open up new opportunities. Switzerland is one of the leading countries with a crypto economy, where UGPay Group was born. UGPay Group presents the WorldCRU security token registered with the U.S. Securities Commission. WorldCRU is a digital stock, a share of the global investment portfolio. WorldCRU token gives its holders 4 types of income. First, staking. This is the placement of WorldCRU tokens on a crypto wallet to receive a reward in the form of UNTB. UNTB is a technical token that gives access to network resources such as RAM, CPU, and net. Second, loyalty program bonus. 5% of total token sales is credited monthly. This type of income will be available only until October 21st. Third, trophy bonus. Accrued monthly to WorldCRU holders from the profit that the company receives from any of its businesses in any of the investment sectors. Trophy bonuses are paid in USDU, which is the company's stable coin. Each USDU token is backed by a fiat dollar. And finally, the fourth, the appraised value of the portfolio is growing rapidly, which gives rise to the price of each digital WorldCRU share. Planned emission 80 billion tokens. The assets that secure the WorldCRU token is estimated by the Crow International Company at several $billion with a starting price of 35 cents. Main investment areas: gold and diamonds, film industry, basalt, data mining, UK, catering, legal services, and real estate. Become a co-owner of the global investment portfolio. Create your new reality.
Yes, welcome to the UGPay Group presenting the WorldCRU opportunity.
The
UGPay Group is a global investment portfolio representing the World CryptoUnit program, a unique opportunity to invest for beginners and experienced investors. But first, my name is Bob Fordham. I'm a speaker for the UGPay Group. I'm a partner affiliate, and I'm also an EVORICH New Community Partner Program consultant and wealth creation coach. And I live on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. The UGPay Group is a holding company for the Global Investment Portfolio, WorldCRU. EVORICH is a coaching and mentorship company specializing in international sales and marketing, self-development, and leadership strategies. Personally, I am a member of the Generals of the World for Peace Association. I'm a graduate of the MLCI Marathon 260 training course from the API. I'm a loving father. I have 3 life memberships for local Australian football and sporting organisations. I love creating balance and energy in natural health through neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, which is the language of the mind, and I'm a master practitioner for and also hypnotherapy. I'm also a nutritional specialist and a co-author of 3 natural health books. For me, I've discovered in over my 40 plus years in business that everything in life is about balance and energy. Get your gut right, get your heart right, get your mindset right with your brain, and you then can co-create better ways of living, better lifestyle, better decisions, and control and design the destiny that you desire. Which leads me to the area that I am super passionate about, sustainability and the triple bottom line for a brighter future for our planet. Because we only get one chance in this lifetime to create a better community, a better economy, which leads to better choices in our environment. Your number one wealth is your health. So to create more time to be able to do what you love to do more of and co-create, design the future that you desire, you need to be on the top of your game. And this is what I've strived for over the last 40 years in business and 60 plus years in my life. But first, a UGPay group, a compliance and risk disclaimer. API is the Academy of Private Investors. The new is the new economic evolution of the world. The MLCI is multi-level crowd investing. WCRU is the World Crypto Unit, a security token offering, or XTO, which is a digital stock analogy. Please note, all countries have their own rules for the sale of financial products, and we comply with the laws of each and every country. Most countries allow the sale of information products without a special license. We do not provide financial advice or investment consultations, not just quite yet. The company also has a full financial services license, which it intends to roll out its resources over the next number of years. So one day, yes, I will have a consultancy license. So the information provided for you here today is for education only. Please do your own due diligence or request confirmation from a licensed accountant or financial advisor in your local area for compliance with the requirements in your local state and country. And if you do your 100% due diligence and you engage a specialist in this field, please make sure that they too have done their due diligence and are qualified to give you the right advice. If not, move on. Find somebody who is in tune with the latest trends and resources around the DeFi, the decentralized financial world that we are about to explore. So with that out of the way, let's get into the presentation. The program today, we will learn about the modern investment market and its trends, the global investment portfolio and security token WCRU, the unique tools and opportunities that you can create a passive income from. The usual opportunities in the investment market today include such things as shares, bonds, mutual funds, the Forex market, equity participation in startup companies, or what we call IPOs, cryptocurrency markets, real estate markets. These segments, financial segments, contain trillions and trillions of dollars of daily transactions. And the UGPay group is playing inside these fields. So the biggest question that a lot of investors, a lot of people looking to improve their lifestyle and improve their investment portfolio, they ask, where do I start? How to choose the right instruments, how to keep and multiply your investments, how to avoid unforeseen risks, and how to avoid scammers. So these questions and more will be answered for you today. So the concept that changed the world, the multi-level crowd investing program, MLCI, has born the UGPay group, the global investment portfolio, and the WCRU token. The project advantages give you accessibility, full transparency. We have regular reporting meetings, summary meetings, trainings, and support throughout the month. We have a crack legal team based in Europe and in New York, and the portfolio provides you with diversification and minimal risks. The opportunity is for you to have multiple sources of income. So this unique program allows anyone to become a co-owner of a global investment portfolio, keep and multiply their capital, earn and participate in profit sharing. It's a unique business model. The sectors of the investment markets are 20 plus, and they include inside the global investment portfolio, people and society in the sector of education through the Academy of the Private Investors, the multi-level crowd investing development sector, the innovative development sector, health and longevity, because as mentioned, your number one wealth is your health. And the best way to enjoy that wealth is to create more time through health and longevity programs and resources to keep you on track. Science sector, everything in the universe is science, and our company is at the forefront of these innovations. Culture and the sector for charities, because we understand there is nothing just about more pleasurable in life when you are helping others and you give your hard-earned rewards to somebody in need. And not only just giving them, teaching them or giving them a fish, but you're teaching them how to fish. And this is an important sector of our global portfolio. In industry, we have innovative transport development. Project One was the major development in 2014. We have since crowdfunded over $150 million into the Skyway Technologies Group, and they will be showcasing their developments in Dubai in October at World Expo in 2021. Agriculture and farming development, because we understand the importance of growing good, healthy, fresh food, clean, non-GMOs, and innovative food production. Innovative development sector, the sector for non-rocket space exploration and development, an exciting area to be involved in. In the financial world, we are heavily involved in the stock markets, foreign exchange markets, the Forex markets, current cryptocurrency markets, the banking, insurance, and real estate sectors. Trillions of dollars are turning over here on a daily basis. We are heavily involved in precious and semi-precious metals and semi-precious and precious stone sector. The sector for entrepreneurial, cooperative, and social development, participation in business through co-ownership, mutual funds and equity participation in emerging or existing companies, or the startup IPO area. The WCRU Global Security Token Portfolio includes such areas like the stock markets, equity participation in business, real estate, crypto markets, gold mining, and trading. It also spurns the IT world and technologies, education, finance and banking, restaurant businesses, diamond production, synthetic diamond production. Our group are co-owners in a technology that can create synthetic diamonds, which are great for the planet, eco-friendly, and can be produced multi-carated, high-quality diamonds inside 3 to 4 days, knocking out the blood diamond world, which is a not so friendly human behavior that spurns these blood diamonds. The film industry, with the release of our first project and Dragon Man, which is a martial arts superhero movie, soon to hit online and offline cinemas around China, India, and the rest of the world. And of course, as mentioned, the innovative transport technology groups. So the implementation of the Global Investment Portfolio Project via Security Token WorldCRU. So the Security Token, or WCRU investment token, was successfully registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission in August 2020. The token realization will be through the UGPay Group AG company and can be viewed at the ugpay.group website. Currently, the SDO is a unique and secure instrument which will help bring investments from across the world. The advantages of this instrument will make it most attractive to both small and major investors. Through regulated by the US Securities and Exchange Commission and other regulators, backed by real-time assets, real-world assets, digital equivalent to stock, yields, dividend incomes, and transparent financing. We have been internationally audited just recently by Ernst & Young, and as mentioned, regular reporting and summary meetings and training every single month. The World Security Token, or WorldCRU Investment Token, its main usages include stock equivalent, index token reflecting shares, and ownership of the company and the right to receive bonuses. In settings, the name and ticker is the blockchain CryptoUnit token, WCRU. The number of tokens is 80 billion. Token issue, all emissions will take place in the Genesis block. All pre-mined tokens are placed on the account with the name reserve. Accuracy is to 0 decimal places. Free accessing network token after defrost period of 365 days can move between accounts and trade in cryptocurrency exchanges. When sending the token, the WCRU, there is no commission. That is an attraction in itself, but it is necessary to keep some amount of UNTB, which are the utility tokens, to have RAM, CPU, and net of blockchain. The token has initial price indicated in the white paper and can rise and fall depending on the growth of the company's assets and market demand. Issuance of the prospects of the WCRU token include 80 billion tokens will be issued within a 10-year period. Totaling in 4 to 10 years, it is planned to sell between 40 to 72 billion WCRU tokens in the amount of 10 billion to 100 billion or more, leaving a liquidity balance of 8 billion WCRU. The stages that will be in the implementation of the WCRU tokens. Stage 1, between 10 to 30 billion WCRU tokens with a price of 0.001 to 0.3 or more in the first 12 to 36 months. In stage 2, 10 to 25 billion WCRU tokens with a price of $1 to $100 plus in the next 12 to 24 months. Stage 3 will see 1 to 10 billion WCRU tokens released with a price of around 100 to 1,000 plus US dollars in the next 12 to 24 months. And in stage 4, the last and final stage, 1 to 10 billion WCRU tokens with a price of 1,000 to 2,000 plus units or WCRU or USDUs in the next 12 to 36 months. So some of the unique tools and opportunities, they include our own CryptoUnit blockchain. In 2020, we launched in the Ethereum blockchain. It wasn't fast enough. So what did we do? We created our own blockchain system. The CryptoUnit blockchain operates on EOS engine and uses a state-of-the-art consensus algorithm called DPoS, Delegated Proof of Stake. This blockchain has programming language used to deploy the client/node, which is C/C++, whatever that means. And the blockchain timing most importantly, 0.5 seconds, which has a block size of up to 10,000 transactions. Incredible rate of knots, an incredible state-of-the-art blockchain. And there is no commission when transferring tokens. The advantages of creating an in-house blockchain are transparency and security, no fees, high transaction rates, exponential community growth, user income from staking, opportunity to issue tokens from other companies, community expansion, the opportunity to take a leading position in the world of cryptocurrencies and the decentralized financial world, the community, and creating additional products based on our blockchain. Exciting times ahead. The creation of the UNTB utility token, its main usage, blockchain core token. This token has the initial price of 0 to 0.01 USD or 1 cent, and each user is required to have a minimum amount of 10 UNTB at his crypto or her crypto wallet. Specifications, name and ticker, unit token of blockchain UNTB. Free accessing network tokens, can move freely between accounts. Number of tokens, 8.123 billion tokens will be issued. Accuracy to 4 decimal places, 0.0001. When transferring the token, there is no commission, but it is necessary to keep some amount of UNTB tokens to have RAM CPU net of the blockchain. The creation of the USDU or stable coin, the main usage, the equivalent of the US dollar. Each USDU coin is backed by the US dollar, positioned in custodian banks, or USDC coin, which is operating at the moment, positioned in custodian escrow firms. Specifications of the USDU is the name of the ticker is CryptoUnit USDU. Number of tokens, no pre-mined emission. Quantity will demand on its backing by fiat dollars or by USDC. Smart contract to create the burn tokens, and precision to 2 decimal places. Free token of the network, and when transferring the USDU token, there is no commissions, but it is necessary, as per usual, to keep the same amount of UNTB tokens to have RAM CPU net of the blockchain. So the creation of passive income. This is the exciting part for me. The creation of staking, keeping funds on a cryptocurrency wallet to support all blockchain transactions. In this case, coin owner delegate receives part of the extra income accruals in UNTB. Dividend incomes, income from the global portfolio proportionate to the investments made, calculated by a vote among all token holders. These are accruals in USDU. The loyalty program is an extra source of income from the sales volume for local holders of the tokens, which accruals are in USDU. These are just some of the ways in which you can utilize and use your tokens inside our ecosystem. Unlocked CRU, you can hold. Unlocked CRU, you can convert to WCRU, frozen for 365 days. Unlocked CRU can stake to get CRU. Set time frames and lock in cannot unstake. Unlocked CRU can be staked to get UNTB. No set time frames, can stop staking anytime, and has 72-hour cooling off period. Unlocked CRU can transfer peer to peer, person to person. Unlocked CRU can transfer to exchange. Unlocked UNTB can transfer also to the exchange. Unlocked UNTB can transfer peer-to-peer, person to person. Unlocked USDU can transfer to exchange. Unlocked USDU, transfer person to person, peer to peer. Unlocked WCRU will be listed on exchange. Locked CRU convert to WCRU, frozen for 365 days. And we also, as CRU co-owners, we have the ability to exchange our CRUs for WCRUs on a one-to-one basis from the time of acquisition for the next 12 months. Locked WCRU stake to get UNTB. No set time frames, can stop staking anytime and has a 72-hour cooling off period. Thank you, AL Creations, for that meme. So, what is your next move? Let's hear from Tracy all about the EVORICH UNTB WorldCRU ecosystem.
It is important to be prepared for Phase 3 of the CryptoUnit program, so let's have a brief conversation to introduce the UGPay blockchain wallet, part of the EVORICH ecosystem, and the independent third-party exchange Unitex. If you haven't already done so, to open up your EVORICH tab, follow these simple steps. 1. Log into your Academy of the Private Investor account using your username and password. 2. Open a new tab in your browser. 3. Enter the URL on the screen. 4. Use your API username and password to log into the EVORICH account. Now please note you need both the API and EVORICH tabs open in your browser when you log into EVORICH for the first time. To open up your UGPay account, follow these simple steps. 1. Log into your API account using your username and password. 2. Open up a new tab in your browser. 3. Enter the URL on the screen. And 4. Use your API username and password to log into the UGPay site. Please note you need both the API and UGPay tabs open in your browser when you log into UGPay for the first time. What can you do with your UGPay wallet? Well, the UGPay wallet is on the blockchain. Currently, in your CRU tab in your back office, you have all your accrued CRU points. You will be able to transfer them, when notified, over to the UGPay blockchain wallet. When this happens, they will become CRU tokens. You will then have several options. 1. You can convert all of your CRU tokens into WCRU. 2. You can convert some of your CRU tokens into WCRU. And 3. You can keep some unlocked CRU to sell on the exchange. The ratio for conversion is set at 1:1 CRU to WorldCRU for the first 12 months that the UGPay wallet is open. After this 12-month period, the 1:1 ratio will cease. The CRU and the WCRU price will be independent of each other and determined by the market. Your UGPay wallet also contains USDU. This is our blockchain's stablecoin. 1 USDU is equivalent to $1 US. And being a stablecoin, this ratio is ongoing. Your bonuses and your dividends from WCRU will be paid in USDU into your UGPay wallet. UGPay's blockchain is a consensus proof of stake POS blockchain. What is staking? Simply put, staking is the act of locking crypto tokens for a set time to receive reward. What else can you do with your UGPay wallet? You can buy WCRU. You can stake your tokens and be rewarded in our proof of stake blockchain. You can stake your unlocked CRU for more CRU, or you can stake your unlocked CRU for UNTB. You can stake your locked WCRU for UNTB. UNTBs are utility tokens and needed for gas. So, you need to stake some of your UNTB for voting rights and blockchain resources. The CryptoUnit blockchain has three broad classes of resources: RAM, or storage of logs, CPU, which is computing and computational lag, and net, or network traffic. Where allowed, unstaking takes 72 hours from request. As this is a quick overview, to learn more, follow the QR code for in-depth training webinars on the details of the blockchain. In 2021, all unlocked tokens in the ecosystem can be sold on the Unitex exchange. This includes unlocked CRU, all UNTB, and all USDU. As all WCRU are locked for 365 days from acquisition, as per the white paper on the UGPay group website, you will not be able to trade WCRU on the exchange until 2022. Exciting news! UGPay Group has entered into an agreement with an independent third-party exchange called Unitex. To open your Unitex account, ask for help from the person who directly sponsored you. You may know them as your SWIG, TNG, or CRU sponsor. Welcome to the third-party independent exchange called Unitex. This is where you can buy and sell unlocked CRU tokens, buy and sell UNTB tokens, buy and sell USDU stablecoins, and in 2022, they will start trading WCRU security tokens. There is so much more to learn, so plug into your leader, the Saturday EVORICH Company webinars, and the social media team groups. I trust you got value from this short introduction to the Phase 3 of the CRU program. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave positive comments where you see value.
Thank you, Tracy, and the First Step YouTube team with Stuart.
It is
so the progress and the history. Our roadmap is clear. Progress has been since March 31st in 2019, launching of the CryptoUnit program. In June, we had the creation of the investment strategy and legal departments. In December, we had blockchain implementation project, which wasn't fast enough. So we started creating our own blockchain. Tender for the blockchain went to the Ethereum group, and it wasn't fast enough. So in June, there was the first synchronization of personal accounts and the CryptoUnit blockchain. In August, we had registration of the WCRU, UNTB, USDU tokens with the Security and Exchange Commissions. And in October last year, in October 2020, the official website of the UGPay Group seller WCRU tokens, the white paper and tokenomics paper in 5 different languages, and registration with the SEC. In November 2020, testing of cryptocurrencies and connections to payment services. In December of last year, the blockchain audit was underway. Integration of personal accounts with the blockchain began, and the final goal is to be listing the tokens on the third-party exchanges and placing the WCRU and all the tokens in the top 10 on CoinMarketCap.com. Exciting news. There is our launch of the WCRU will be on the 10th of February 2021. And from the 10th to the 14th of February, we are pleased to inform that there will be a 35% bonus for all CRU purchases between the 10th and 14th of February inclusive. There is also an elite club offer to upgrade for as little as $100 per annum. You can get massive discounts on your WCRU purchases. And the price will increase in phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. So an incredible ecosystem. Thank you for your attention today and in helping us to create the global investment portfolio, which brings us closer to the new economic evolution of the world. Created and designed, and the author is a man by the name of Andrei Karatov, a colorful Russian entrepreneur who, since the early 1990s, has developed a huge following with over 1.5 million registered users and has a dream. His dream is to create 1 million millionaires with this concept and to touch up to 15% of the world's population with the financial education and literacy from the Academy of the Private Investors. So the UGPay group forms a very important role into everything that we do. Thank you for your attention. Have a well day and all the best.